Hello, hi, welcome to PlayWright with JavaScript Part 2. In this session, I'm going to cover how to create a project in the Windows machine, PlayWright project, and how to install the PlayWright commands. And after configuring the project, what is the PlayWright config file, what it contains. So these are the things I'm going to cover in this Part 2. So quickly we move to here. So before this, you need to go to any one of your folder and create one project. Right click here, new, playwright, playwright, YouTube. Okay, this is any name you can give here. You created the project. So once you create the project, you go to Visual Studio. So whenever you open the Visual Studio first time, it will open the page with the welcome here. Once it is open, just click this one, welcome tab, and go to file, open folder. Just go here, wherever you created the folder, go here, playwright, YouTube, select this folder. So once you come to this folder, nothing will be there. So just click this one, trust. So as I told, you'll get the welcome. Just close this. Now at the top there is a terminal. Just click here and new terminal. Okay. Before running any npm command, just check npm is there or not. Npm version. Okay, showing node version. These two things are very important. Without this, you cannot do anything. So when you want to clear, just clear this. It will go. Now we'll go to the playwright documentation. If we come here, I'll give this link as well. I'll put it here. This is the playwright documentation where you can get all the comments. So I'll go here. So what is the first thing is you need to install the playwright with the latest. Just copy this command and I'll put it in the notepad here so that you can view this one. So this command, sorry, you have to go here, type sorry. So type in the terminal. Once you open the terminal, just click this enter. So now it will install the playwright. So now if you see here, it is showing two things are there, TypeScript or JavaScript. So just click the down arrow in the laptop and click JavaScript, and it is showing test folder need to create. Yes, just click yes and yes. So it is start installing the npm in your folder where we have created, the folder which you have opened. So if you see at the left side, it is adding the package.json file. So it has added the playwright config.js file. So this is how it will create. It will create the test folder also with one default script. So we have installed the playwright. After that, what we need to do? So before running the script, I'll tell few things. So go to the playwright config.js. This file is very important. You have to understand this one, because if you don't understand, you cannot run your script properly. So the main things I'll just talk about here. By default, Playwright will run your script Chrome, Firefox, WebKit. These are three browsers. I'll copy this one and put it in Notepad. So Playwright by default it will run your script in the Chromium is one browser, Firefox and WebKit. By default it will run. Okay, this is the first thing you need to understand. And second thing, second thing is, if you see here, test directory colon, it will pick all your tests from the tests folder. This one, this is very important. This is the folder test folder. While we configuring the playwright, we have given test folder should be created. Just we click enter, so automatically it will create the folder. If you come here, so if you see here, the test folder is created. This is your test folder. Under this, whatever the scripts are there, everything will execute. So now, when we see this, what actually it is. So first thing is, whenever playwright want to execute, it will execute the script in a form of test. Test is nothing but your scenario or your feature file. It's like a scenario or a test case. In JavaScript, everything will be test. Whatever the code you put inside this test, it will execute. This is the first thing. So this one has title. You can get a title here. Opening the playwright playwright application. Okay, here after again we are writing one more script. Here also we are opening playwright and click on get started link. So I just increase the font so that you can see. So what are these lines we need to understand? So the first thing what you need to understand is asynchronous. What is the meaning of this? This you understand the scenario name what you want to execute, that you are given anything you can give. And what is this? This is your asynchronous. Asynchronous means whenever you want to execute the scripts or lines of code in your test line by line. For example, first it should run this, then it should run this. If you don't use asynchronous, it will pick randomly. For example, If you don't give this asynchronous, it will run this one. When you try to run this one, the page is not open, but it's trying to find a title. How can it get? No, it's not possible. That is the reason we need to give the asynchronous here. And so when you give asynchronous, first this will execute, this will execute. Next, second line is this one. When you want to put the comment, you can put slash slash here like this. So hope you understand this one. And second scenario, what we are doing here, here also we have to put the test, and this semicolon also very important. This is the first scenario and this is your second scenario. So here what we are doing, opening the playwright and we are clicking on the get started. When you copy this, I'll try to open this so that you can understand what exactly it is. So playwright, this application, we are trying to click this one, get started. When you want to click get started, how to do? There is a API called link. You have to use, this is like your, this page is like your web in Java. If you see web driver, you'll create the instance, right? Or the variable or object. It is similar like this here. So await, and it will wait until this URL is loaded. Page driver dot you get URL will put in Java. Similarly, it is go to and URL whatever you want to put. Again await, expected. Expected is nothing but a similar to your verify. Asserts we'll use in the Java. Assert dot assert equals. Expected. What you are expecting? The page title should match with this playwright. When you go here, we'll check the what is the title of this page. Right click, inspect, and here you will get the title. It contains the playwright here title. So that it will verify. So this is to verify the title, expecting the title to contain a string playwright. It will check playwright is there or not. It is not checking the complete title here. If you see the title here, very big title, fast and reliable end-to-end blah 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 blah, pipe symbol and playwright. Contains means if playwright is there, that is enough. Next one is when you want to click on a link, there are different ways you can click. This is one way. Await page like in Java driver dot get by role, get by role like we do. Find element by link will do in Java. Similarly like this link and name. What is a name actually? What it is displaying? If you go here, this is the get started, inspect. Okay, so this is there here, get started. Okay, so this link text it will check get started link is there or not. So this is the format you have to whenever you want to click the link, first you have to give link here and name and what is the text it is there in that link and click. Okay, after clicking this, heading installation to be visible. what it is. When you click this one, we'll see what it is happening. Get started. Yeah, if you see here, there is a page called installation. So here it is checking the heading. This heading have installation or not to be visible. If it is displaying, then this will pass. Otherwise, it will give the error. So this is how it will open the URL, click the link, expected result will check. Here it is checking the title, which contains nothing but if it contain means it's subset of plated is a subset of that complete heading. So like this is your first script. So I will try to run this. So just clear this. Oh, sorry. Click here, clear, clear. Then what is the command to execute? Go to playwright here. So npx playwright test. Playwright text. What is the meaning? Npx is the command to run the any any playwright or report anything. And this testing nothing but in all your feature your in your example.spec.js file there is a test. Wherever the test is there, whatever it contains the code, it will execute. But from where it will pick the folder, it will pick the folder from here. We are given the folder here, test directory. Dot means root because it is there in the root. See, this is the root. Under this test is there. These are all root. This is the root. Under this node modules, test, test example, blah blah. Few things is there. So there is a folder called test. So from there it will check whether under this test folder test is there or not. All the test whatever. So just type this and click. Sorry, something I did wrong here. Instead of clicking there, I was clicking. So just click carefully. You have to be here. Click this. Click here. So running 6 tests using 2 workers. Six tests means 2 in Chrome, 2 in Firefox, 2 in WebKit. That's why showing 6. And one more thing is, yes, I forgot to tell that. Actually, it is running in the headless mode. By default, Playwright will run the script in the headless mode. Headless mode means it won't open the browser and it will run the script. So to see the headless fall, just enter here headless, not here, sorry, here use headless colon false comma. Carefully see here I'll make it little bit big. See, you have to go to playwright.config.js file. Here, there is a section called use. Under that, you have to put headless false. Means if you put headless false, it will open the browser actually. Headed mode it will open. It will open the browser and execute. So again, just click here and run here. Now it will open the browsers. So it has opened. It has clicked. Opening and click on the get started. Now it's open the another browser and click. So 6 tests are passed. If you see here, we are able to see the 6 test one. If you want to see the report, copy this npx playwright show, put it here. I'll put this command here in the notepad so that you can see in the big size. So just click this one. Yes, it will open the report like this. You no need to write the report code and all that. So in Chrome, it has opened the application. Whatever we get, open the playwright and click on get started. This is the scenario names what we have given here. We have given here, right? The first scenario is open the playwright application. This is what here. Second scenario is opening playwright and click on the get started link. So this is open and click. These are the two scenarios passed. This is in Chrome, this is in Firefox, and this is WebKit. These are all browsers. So you no need to write any report code, nothing. By default, it will generate the report. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So I will be continuing all the sessions one by one. So we'll see in the next session, that is part 3. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.